I'd make. It's like a shooting simulator, and I'm gonna say, back to school.
We're talking about suicide bombs, and then I just hear you say back to school.
Suicide bombs and this man's stuff.
Hey, Cody, look. Don't worry, I'm gonna keep your child safe. I mean, he's grown up to be a grown. He already has 2 guns. Better shoot up the school. Oh, John Wick, you wanna fucking go? Bitch, I'm better kill your dog.
Putting C4 proximities and driving it.
The John Wick skin is wearing a dog on his back. I'm trying to shoot the dog.
Oh, why is this loading screen taking forever?
I shot the dog.
I didn't get to see it.
If Jonas's dog even is that big, it's a Great Dane, right? Those are pretty big dogs.
Yeah, it is a Great Dane. I love him. He's my good boy. He is such a good dog.
It's until you sit down and realize the dog is taller than you. That's when I almost shitted myself.
Okay, Cody, you've seen that my dad is pretty tall, right? When my dog stands on his 2 back legs, he's like 2 feet taller than my dad. He is a very big dog. You know what? It's
Alright, strap everything to the helicopter.
Wait, Van, give me all your explosives.
No.
Van? I'm fucking gonna blow shit up, Van. Van, give me the goddamn explosives.
I got $6 in these. What more do you want?
What more do you want?
Give me them. This is my whole mission in life.
I can't, I'm sticking his hands into this.
Did I just drop him? Now give me this fucking C4.
This
that
is
same
so
shit'll happen to
boring.
you, Van.
It's literally 7 minutes of
Give me
nothing.
Give me. Fucking give me it, Van. Van, I will goddamn fucking shoot you. I'm trying to make it somewhat more entertaining. You wink. Throw it above the C4.
Fine too.
Give me them. I'm playing.
Oh my god. Why
That's
did he have
the
to
con.
throw... Hey up, hey up. 2 for 2. If somebody shoots the... That shit got yeeted.
Bro, where'd it go? Oh my
It's over here. It's right over here.
She said, pow.
I can't pick it up though. If somebody shoots the front of this, we're all gonna fucking die.
Oh my god.
Oh, I just realized something.
I was about to say,
If I hit the C4, it'll launch the proximities forward.
Don't do it, bro.
How many... Cody, how are you gonna fly? I love this. I fucking love C4.
Where did it go?
I love
Oh
proximities. Okay. While you guys are doing this, I'm gonna go look for more explosives. How mad would you be if I hit detonate right now and blew up the helicopter?
Don't do it on accident. I know your dumbass would do it.
I'm just trying to keep my hands off the mouse.
Come on!
Grenades.
Right.
Fuck it.
Van, is that
Give me
all
the
of them?
fucking...
Yeah,
There's a Kingsman
Alright.
umbrella over there if somebody wants it. Wait for me, boys. Come pick me up.
Wait,
I now have 6 grenades.
I actually have one more.
Wait, Cody, do you want me to go check that and see if there's C4 in there?
That's it.
Come pick me up, boys. I'm gonna go check one last chest and then get...
Oh, this is gonna be good.
If anybody gets hit by it. What just happened? What just happened? I still have my C4. What just happened?
The C4 is gone.
It's literally all gone. But look, I never detonated it because my trigger
we went in
was gone.
water?
Yep.
Oh my god. If this Use the thumbnail.
Hey.
Oh.
I got
Wait, we have
more.
to- Oh,
And
yeah.
we got a supply drop.
I love this.
Oh,
Oh, wait.
God.
This thing's gonna go out with a bang. But we do have to move it so that the thing
Suicide
doesn't
bombs.
crush it. Cody, you're gonna have to move it some so that the supply drop doesn't.
Go.
Okay.
There we go. Look how beautiful it is.
I'm just gonna move it. I bet you would be so mad if I shot one of those. Let's not be dickheads and destroy it.
Dude,
Like, I actually want to get someone with this. Suicide bomb
yeah.
plays. And we might get some more stuff
Literally,
out of
I
this.
have people spectating me. 2 people spectating me. 1
This
person.
this is just so beautiful. I need a photo.
Oh,
But I didn't-
RPG and proximities.
Oh, give me the RPG and give me some ammo for it.
Who's gonna throw the proximities? Dan, since you already
RPG
have.
ammo?
Oh, wait, no. Jonas. You have
RPG ammo.
to. Oh, there you go.
With the beautiful tradition.
I would hate if a heavy snipe just came up, exploded that.
That works apparently.
I'm about to fly this, bro. You know how scared I am? If someone shoots this, Dan will get knocked into the proximities, and then I would die from fall damage, and then Jonas would die from C4.
It's gonna be pretty though.
Alright, but we gotta shoot someone straight away. I'm gonna literally fly us through them backwards once I see someone. Oh, build fight!
Oh yes, let's go.
This is
Wait,
perfect.
You have
Lower,
to drop me
should I
off
get
so
lower
that I
or
don't-
towards middle?
Oh no, they're up on the top.
Let's get this guy.
This is beautiful. My game lags out so much because everyone is van. Well, we might not have killed anyone.
Did you get any kills though?
Nah.
Are you serious?
We're gonna get to do it again, but that was pretty. I've died to my own C4. Just shoot a rocket at him.
Oh, he didn't have anything good. What is this guy? Oh, except for this. Oh, yup. Hello? No, they're cool.
This was such a successful run. Like, how come the suicide bomber lived?
Shut up. What a random phone right now. Like, I don't wanna.
Go get crack shots. Dude, there's 5 chests.
I love how
Ram 'em.
detonate!
Man, there's somebody behind you.
Why am I not? I'm
For
lagging!
me. Uh-oh, Cody just lagged.
Okay, we got.
I actually got somebody with a C4
Sweaty
though.
Midas.
I got him with the C4
I killed someone with a
proximities.
long range fall distance.
Oh, did you hit him?
Oh, what? I thought it was loaded.
This is my...
Bro,
This is
finally
my
got a kill with it, and I just launched someone so far.